Today we are going to deal with light. What is light? Light is a form of energy which enable us to see. Now we go to deal with the properties of light. First one is light is an electromagnetic wave. It travels in a straight line. Third one is a speed of light is 3 into 10 की power 8 meter per second. Fourth one is light has dual nature. And fifth one, light form shadow. Now I am explaining about this one. What this one is energy. What type of energy? Electromagnetic wave energy. Light is form of energy which enable us to see. Light is an electromagnetic wave. It travels in a straight line. The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. It has dual nature. What do you understand by this one? Dual nature. Light has two types of nature. This one is particle nature and second one is wave nature. Now we go to understand more phenomena about the light. When light fall on surface, it bounce back. You always do this one. Any places from here, light from this one. What these things we tell about. This is known as reflection and refraction. First we go to deal with the reflection. The bouncing back of light is known as reflection. Example, you see this one, then light following this one. This one is known as bouncing back of light. Any places, any surface, this one. And now we deal with the laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. First, the incidence angle and the reflected angle are equal. Second, the incidence ray, reflected ray and the normal to the point all lie in the same plane. Now we deal about this one whole. Laws of reflection. The incidence angle and the reflecting angle are equal. The incident ray, reflected ray and the normal to the point all lie in the same place. How? Now we explain this one very clearly. This one, let us suppose this one is surface. The incidence angle is this one incidence ray and the reflected is this one, and the normal to the point is this one. What I am telling, the incidence angle is this one. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection, means angle I बराबर angle R. This one is first law. And second law, what I am telling that the incidence angle, the reflected ray angle, and the normal to the point, this one, all lie in the same place. I think you understand very well. Now I am clearly this one, a numerical also based on this one I want to deal with you. First, let us suppose the angle of incidence is 30 degree. Find the angle of, find the reflection angle. Now you deal with angle I बराबर angle R. You write this one, angle I equal to 30 degree. Now we can write angle I बराबर angle R बराबर in 30 degree. This one you understand very clearly. Now one more question. If the angle of incidence with the surface is 40 degree, find R. Then what, let us understand what the question is, what I want question is going to. If the angle of incidence with the surface means this one is you have to provide it, and this one is R. Then you know this one is normal to the point, means this one is 90 degree. This one is 40 means this one is 90. Angle I plus 40 बराबर 90 degree, means angle I बराबर 50 degree. 90 minus इधर 40, this one is 50 degree. Now we know angle I बराबर angle R, means angle I बराबर 50 means angle R. It may imply angle R बराबर 50 degree. I think you can understand whole concept very clearly because numerical enhance your knowledge a lot. So I always give some example of numerical based on all the concept. Thank you. From next class we deal with the refraction and more topics. Bye.